train, Mummy?
Yes, come along, climb in.
Where's the engine, Daddy? Have they forgotten to bring it?
No, this is a diesel train. The engine's underneath.
Underneath? Are the driver and fireman underneath too?
No, it's not that sort of engine. It's a diesel. Like a bus, only bigger.
By himself?
He's a first-class passenger.
That's what Daddy calls splendid insulation. Dad, can I talk to the guard too? Look, Daddy, what's that thing for?
Oh, that's the carriage heating control. Those ventilators up there let out all the stale air. And those down there warm the fresh air as it comes in.
Does it say all that in your little book, Dad? Daddy, what are those men looking at?
The driver's controls, I should think. Let's see.
There's a lever thing.
Well, that... Oh, that's the gear selector. He's just changed gear.
And some lights.
To tell him if the engines are running, I should think. And that's the rev counter. That shows the number of engine revolutions per minute.
Look, there are some more boats over here.
I'd rather look out at the front.
Yes, all right.
It's like being the driver. Daddy, the rails aren't straight. Look, they're turning, and now they're going to go up. We've got to fly off at the top, because the rails don't go any further. It's what Daddy calls modernization. Cool, that was a long climb up. Hey, look, another train. It's going the wrong way. It'll get lost. Look, there's another one. There's lots of trains, aren't there?
Can you see that signboard with a wavy line on it?
Well, oh yes. What's it mean, Dad?
Watch carefully and you'll see.
Water troughs.
That's right. Now watch as this train goes past.
It's picking up water. Dad, how fast can this train go, Dad?
Well, let's count the rail beats and see. Starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 24, 25. In 20 seconds. Double it. That's about 50 miles an hour.
50? Golly. Daddy, what's that signal say?
That's a distance signal. That's at danger to warn the driver to slow down because the next home signal's a danger too. There, see it?
It's a train game. You mustn't have two trains at home in the same distance. Daddy, what does this sign thing mean?
That's to tell the driver to slow down to 20 miles an hour.
And there's a C.
That's for commencement of speed restriction. Trains have to go slowly over this bit.
Why, Dad?
Well, I expect they've been working on it, relaying it, or something like that.
Golly, Mum, look at all those people. They're Trainland fairies, only they're in disguise, of course. Won't they get run over?
Not if they're careful.
Ooh, look, Daddy, look, they've broken the rails. Don't be silly. It's just they're putting them a different way.
No, they're relaying them, that's all.
Why, Dad?
I expect they're starting to show signs of wear. You usually get a lot of trains over a junction like this.
Why are we still going slow, Dad?
You can't go fast over track that's been worked on. They have to run trains slowly to help it to bed down.
That's why those wooden things are called sleepers. But, Dad, you sometimes see men with shovels.
Oh, they're probably making sure the stones are well packed under the sleepers.
And a man with a sort of stick thing.
A gauging rod, I expect. That's to make sure the rails are the right distance apart.
In railways, everything has to be the same distance apart everywhere, because when they're not, someone gets very cross. What would happen if they weren't the right distance apart?
Trains wouldn't be able to go over them, dear.
Oh, jolly well hope this bridge is the right distance apart.
This one isn't. It takes you to another world.
Mum, why are those men looking at a map?
They want to know where they are.
I think it's a place called Whistle. When you want a train, you can whistle for it. Daddy, look! Oh, look at the station. Boxes now, Dad?
Boxes? What boxes?
You know, Dad, the ones you bought at the station, those pack lunch things. I'm feeling vanished.
You mean famished, not vanished.
No, vanished, like Alice. If you don't eat what's in the boxes, you get vanished.
Mountains. Look, over there.
I suppose they were all molehills once. All mountains used to be molehills. Is that Sir Edmund Hillary, Dad?
I shouldn't think so for 1 minute.
Oh, look, there's another tunnel, Dad. Hey, look.
Well, come on now. Start getting ready. We're nearly there.
Oh, I want to go on. Dad, do you think you could go on a diesel train another time?
You liked that, did you? Yes. All right. We'll go again.